Hello everybody, welcome to your daily code challenge. Today we are going to solve Counting Vallys problem. It's pretty easy problem, so let's check it. So it says basically we are going to get a string as this, and D means downhill and up means uphill. So we have a traveler hiker and he's traveling around the mountains. And when we see D, it means that he walked downhills. When we see U, it means he walked up hills. And every time our walk starts from sea level, which we are going to say 0, and it ends also at sea level. So let's see an example. For example, in here it is up, down, 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 up, up, and sample output is 1. And let's see how did they make it. So up, down, it is sea level again. So two more downs, up, down. Even though it is up, down, as you see, because we haven't reached the sea level, we are still in the same valley. So with two more ups, we are going to reach the sea level, and we are going to say, okay, there was only one valley that we have traveled. If it would be like from the beginning, down, up, down, up, down, up, for example, 3 times, we are going to say that, okay, there are 3 valleys because we got under the sea level, then we go up again, then we got down and go up, so it's the second time and third time. So let's write our code. Let's write our code according to this information. So let's decide first. Let level, which is our current level right now, not current level, but at the beginning we are giving it to 0 because we are assuming that sea level is 0. And other one is let valley, which is 0 at the beginning because it is value counter. So we are going to assign it to the 0 at the beginning. So for let I is equal to 0, I is smaller than steps. As you see, steps in here 8, and there are 8 elements. Basically, it is length of our string, and I plus plus. And what are we going to say? If path is our string, I is equal to capital U, then we are going to say level plus plus. Why? We go to uphill. And else, if we can say, we can write else also because there's only one case, up or down. But let's write else if it will work at the same way. I is equal to down, sorry, capital D. So we are going to decrease our level. And in here we are going to do one more check in order to understand if it is valid. So in order to reach to the sea level, we need to go up, right? And we are going to say if we go up and if it is a sea level, we are going to increase the valley by 1. So let's write it also. If level is equal to 0, then valley plus plus, so we increase our valley. And in here, let's return it. Why did we do that? Because we cannot say whenever we reach 0 point, it's a valley, because as you see up and down, we are again at the sea level, but we haven't entered a valley. But in order to go up and reach a 0 point, we need to be at down first. So we know that when we go up and it is 0 level, sea level, we were in a valley and we go out from that valley. So let's submit our code. Yeah, as you see, it has passed uh, all the test cases. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys at next video. Bye.